Hi folks, my name is Akash and in this particular video we will be gonna understand about how machine learning is transforming healthcare basically. So let's get dive into the straightforward into the particular video. We'll just straightforwardly understand about how we can think about it. Okay, so we'll just get dive into the straightforwardly into the video. Just give me a second, folks. Yeah, all right. So, when we are talking about healthcare, right? Transforming healthcare, segmenting the business, right? So, healthcare, which is transforming the businesses as well, right? So, this is healthcare, which is transforming the business, transforming the business. Because they are transforming the business basically, right? So they are segmenting the business for that case, right? Like segmenting is nothing but they are dividing into the small departments, right? So, uh, like healthcare is a more labor intensive industries around the world. So it requires the presence of human to take care of the people at various stage of their illness, right? So healthcare is the one of the world largest industries in the world. Basically, like people is very much like very much needed in that case. So, like that is only my thought process about it. So let's get dive into the straightforwardly understanding about with the whiteboard. So we'll just try to understand like what's a technology part so that we will get to forward. So this is what the flow is about. Now let's get dive into the video. So like it requires like presence of humans to take care of the persons, take care of the people at various stages of the illness, what is happening, what's the stage about it, all the things about it. Okay, so so AI conclave held by the Amazon in 2017 in Bangalore was amazed and it was a acute problem of staff scarcity. Okay, staff scarcity, and which has held in Amazon in like in 2017 Bangalore was amazed how acute problem of staff scarcity which has been plaguing the health industry in United Kingdom. So it has been aptly solved by the being in aptly solved by the creating the artificial tabletops. Okay, like they are creating the artificial tabletops. Okay, artificial tabletops like this. Artificial tabletops. It is artificial table A T T. Artificial tabletops. Pods that would care about elderly patient needs. The creating artificial tabletops would take care of elderly patient, like about their medication, reminding about their taking the pills, all the stuffs. Okay, using the Amazon Alexa, so it will be reminding the pills day-to-day basis, basically. So track care about the prescription, track about the suggest wake-up routines, and at the heart of it, Alexa is a machine learning developed by the Amazon, right? So Eco Alexa is a machine learning developed by Amazon team used in the cloud infrastructure like Amazon Web Services. So what it will do is the Python machine learning model like that helps the perform the task and learn from them and use the feedback mechanism to the Alexa basically. It is giving the feedback basically. So this is a like Amazon has done the various things. In another data hack summit in 2017, we had an opportunity to see the demo of IBM Watson of healthcare services. Like developers has their own applications top of this base analytic engine. So IBM has proven to use the analytics engine in applications such as testing genetic results, drug discovery. These are the things they have discussed actually. Okay, so my main motive to understand about is like drug discovery they have been done here basically. So let's get understand about it. So uh, IBM has another analytical engine like Headway, CAT scan images, CAT scan images. Okay, CAT scan images basically, and care management to the name few and like diagnostic disease using imaging in healthcare imaging such as X-ray images or CAT scan images. However, there are some reason why we need the machines to work more efficiently. Okay, so like some of the reason why we need the machine to work more efficiently is high volume of imaging data with increased patient. Okay, second is stress on the doctors due to the high volumes makes them error prone. Okay, machines can handle large set of imaging data with low error rate. And third is inability of healthcare profession to link, see the bigger picture from imaging data, seeing the bigger picture from imaging data basically. So machines can help them by assessing the large number of image data sets and determine whether there are any pattern or any connections among the group of the patients or a group of localities. For example, replace the doctors and specialists in at the times of an absence. Okay, so this is a key operation that a machine can do. When a specialist is not available, it can replace the human specialist. Okay, so and provide the diagnosis in a very critical cases. In my opinion, the function of machine will be used more and more. Day is not far where the entire area of image diagnosis will be done by the machines. Okay, so with no human intervention basically. So drug discovery is a very key area of health. At the healthcare industry, research in the pharmaceutical companies of diseases like cancer or HIV is a continuous happening. Machine learning, okay. Machine learning is helping the speed of the discovery. Even when they are injected into the subjects their controlled environment. This saves both time and money basically. Okay. So simulation of drug reactions gives a estimate like cure patterns and reaction to the drug. And another one is patient research in difficulty fields like cancer, etc. There are a lot of data available in the field of both patient and clinical trials of the medicine. Okay, the clinical trials are time consuming and requires a collection, subjecting the data on the reaction in the body. This is like the collective intensively, such as via blood test or non-invasively, such as the urine test or putting probes or certain body parts of the subject. Okay, so one of the common fears that I hear with the healthcare profession is their fear that the AI will replace them. The machines make them may make their jobs redundant. This fear is a valid and is not without evidence. Okay, this report comes from the Sun, China, where a robot named Zhao Ai has passed the China National Medical License Examination successfully and has achieved the skills in practical medicine. Some people say this is a scary trend. Some say it is a clear sign that the robot is going to rule the humans. However, I say this is just a tip of iceberg. The following are some of the trends we are likely to see in the healthcare world so far as the medicine are concerned. Okay, robot replace the workers in low-paying jobs first, where humans do not want to do the mundane tasks. Okay, so such a case of Amazon Echo Alexa replacing the elderly healthcare due to the staff shortage. Okay, the second thing is robot become the assistants to the senior specialists like neurosurgeons and learn the skills for diagnosis and surgery. And third thing is Robot will replace the senior specialist in diagnosis. It requires the analysis and processing. Okay, humans can't process the large information and spot the patterns in big data sets. Okay, so this is where the robot will score significantly higher in accuracy of diagnosis than human specialists. So surgery will be done by the humans with the assistance from the robots. This has already been demonstrated by the University of Oxford surgeons. So in my view, it is possible more and more robots are able to do the precision operations on humans are successful. They will work jointly with the human specialist to carry out the complex precision based surgeries. Okay, so this trend will start to emerge in next to 2 to 3 years. This may turn auto doctors and guided doctors. Okay, auto doctors are would use unsupervised learning techniques to treat a patient for a new discovery disease. There is a guided doctors where we would use the supervised machine learning techniques. Supervised learning techniques they would required for the known disease on of unknown line of treatments. We would like to look at it in the depth. Okay, example of a Python program for supervised learning in the next video. So we will be going to understand how to implement machine learning in healthcare. Basically, this is all about like how you have to take this advancement of healthcare basically. So in the next video, we'll be going to understand what is the key technological advancements in health sector. Like we will be going to take a scenario of 2025. What will we will be going to look at it? Okay, all right. So this is about all about this video, folks. I hope you understood. You got the clear-cut understanding. I hope you got the value in this particular kind of a content and what's the kind of an advancement of technologies that will be going to enhance this books. So AI is not a thing that will remove the burden and precision and will give you the quality of a surgeries basically. Okay, so that's it about this video. I hope you liked it.